Alright everybody, back with another one. So last video, we created voice agent using 11 Labs and OpenAI ChatGPT.
And it turned out to be a success somehow.
But
But you know what? Next one that we're gonna do, agent that just scours around the city that you're located in, and it's kind of like a drop area. So it tells you from like cheapest to expensive areas, and maybe for like food, fashion, car related. Maybe as well if Jacob can add in discount items, deals that are going on. It would be really cool. Just gonna give Jacob the rundown of everything I want to see in it and what it's gonna look like.
yeah, but I got a few features that actually show location.
So like green red zones, like yellow, so it's like a little pop circle, like not you know what I mean? So it's like let's say say if you're doing like safe zones, like there's drop zones where they can't attack, it's like green circle area, and then yellow like it's a little bit like red. So like there's a green zone that can be created into as well, or yellow it'll just pop up the dots, like try to get relatively bigger. Okay, yeah, but you can't whatever. That'd be sick. And then from there you can just show you what things the spots, and then if you zoom in, like that's just like something else.
Got it.
So now that I gave him the rundown, the explanation, he's gonna build it. We'll get back to it with the review. We're back.
Yeah, welcome back to another episode of the AI Boys.
What's the process looking like? Is it finished?
You know what? This was the hardest application I've ever had to make so far because I had to render an actual map on the application. So I didn't know what to do. Then I figured out that I actually needed an API, right? So an API is like a set of words and numbers that help two applications communicate with one another, and that way you're able to like create like a unique application such as this one.
And honestly, like on the little kind of reviews that I did from it just by myself after you sent it over to me, like I could only imagine big scale apps on how they do it.
Yeah,
remarkable.
It is.
And this was just in like the little bit of time I gave you, and not to say it's not good, but you know, it's got a kink. It's got its own kinks and everything.
Yeah.
But yo, bro, it looks real. It looks good. It's physical. It's actually made, you know?
I know, right?
I'm loving it.
It took longer than I expected. I'm
Yeah.
not gonna lie.
Definitely what we're gonna do for next time. We're gonna probably change it up so we give like faster ideas that we can pump out for you guys. Cause this one, honestly, it took a long time.
It did.
And then there's also ideas that I wanted in it, so it even just kind of pops out. We'll show you on the screen here too. I really wanted there to show up like pop-up circles of cheap, medium to expensive zones. So we'll give you a little scoop right now actually of what it looks like. All right, so like we said, we're gonna show you what's going on with it. So Jacob, you want to give them a little rundown of what you use to build it as we're going through?
So the initial application that I used for this was just Google AI Studio. So it's a free application from Google. Pull it up right now so we can see what it looks like. And that's where like experimented a lot with like how the application should look and the different features that should be on it. But it was much harder for me because I didn't know what type of technology to use. So I was just building it out, but I didn't know I needed a special key to make the application actually work. So that was the big issue with like getting the application done. You know, once I figured that out, I finished the app in like 30 minutes and I prompted it on the left here.
The actual final product piece of what we have so far. We'll get into it though. So let's start us off with grocery stores. Cheap ones.
Let's see. Okay, so we got 3. We got No Frills, blah blah, and Petro Canada.
So like as I saw, like when I was doing my own kind of like little review on it, I'm into clothing, right? So I wanted to look at some cool, maybe, I didn't know what to expect. I was really going over the top. I'm like, my man Jacob here, he's a GOAT. You know,
yeah.
he's always got things locked down. He's got it situated, right? But this time, as you know, it didn't pop up. I searched it up and I put it on my location active and it gave me grocery stores and a gas station. And like you saw right now, it popped up milk and like bread and gas. So
okay.
Obviously, like if there's more time, it could definitely be, all of this stuff could be put into it as something, you know, if you want to do, like this is totally something you could do, turn into an app, kind of do however you want. You know, some people have even, I've seen, they made their own app for the TTC. In Toronto, people showed where you can see where it's slowing down and where there's high traffic right now, which is crazy to me. And they're just like regular people, just like us, and they did it. So, and it's a free one that you can use. That's not a plug, by the way. I'm not just giving that up for free, but you know.
You already did.
So anyways, like it has the whole world mapping system, which is sick. I love that. It's almost like, it's literally Google Maps. So it works, and you can even pin it on your active location of where you are right now. So you can pin on anywhere, like Ottawa. That's where we used to be, right? One of our home cities out there. Are you going to our old place?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We're so close.
You're on South End, bro. Here.
Wait, son.
Yeah.
Let me see. Baby, right there. Right there. We're literally right there.
Yeah, I know. Right there. Right there. Oh, Surya Palace! We gotta go back one day.
Yo, we have to, bro.
Oh my god.
Take a nice little drive.
Yeah.
We have to go in the winter.
Yeah. Warm you up. Oh my god. Anyways, so kind of like, as you can see, it's not a finished product. This is just an extent of where you can use it with a person can actually go on it and use it and kind of see what could happen with active location, search, wherever you are, it's going to work, but there's got some kinks and some bugs, right? If you guys have any suggestions, we saw from our last one actually, someone commented and we checked it out. It was pretty cool.
Yeah.
We appreciate it actually a lot.
Yeah.
Thank you. And if you're watching this one again, shout us out. Leave another comment if you know a better way or like some other ways to do this.
Yeah.
Honestly, it helps us make our next videos better and ideas. And if you have an idea for us to build, man, leave it in the comment box because we really do appreciate that. We also are taking ideas to build. But for our next one, I think I'm just going to leave it a mystery for you guys. Stay tuned for that one, guys.
And if you guys want any of this code for free, we're giving it out. So just let us know. You can send us a message and we'll send it to you. Yeah, open source everything.